Laptop Manufacturing Company. Loction, Oragadam, Kandigai. Gender, male female. Age limit. Male, 18 முதல் 28 வரை. Female, 18 முதல் 32 வரை. Qualifications. 8th, 10th, 12th, 80, Diploma, any degree. Freshers experience. Female 2 shift, 8 hours. Male 3 shift, 8 hours. Depertment. 1 youth operator. 2 quality. 3 youth assembly. Salary, 14,000 to 16,500. Overtime. Benefits. ESI, PF. Working time food provide. Room, rental based. Cab. All route. Contact. 7338932126 975009990.